chi bỏ thì chỉ nhá bây giờ cái thứ đi sống của rằng giờ đi ta họ chẳng chắc chắc là tập bé hay nên giờ bây giờ trồng trò giờ thông tin tập bé nó chưa biết đâu là họ trồng miệng thì sẽ là giờ tao lá bé nó đi trồng trò thua to bé đi bỏ phân thì chỉ nhá nó trở nên tại đó là anh sẽ đầu thế thì bỏ bé giờ bé ấy hay nên khởi bé bỏ phân giấy họ chẳng chắcวันที่ฉันเป็นผู้ยงว่าแต่เอาไปละอเมริกาพูดจอจากพื้นที่อเมริกาได้ก็จะรู้ที่เชิญนออะไรอ่ะจะตู้จันไทยว่าตัวยุจะรู้ที่เชิญนอหากเดียร์วินิจาไปเที่ยวไปหัวมองจัวมองดังมองหลังมองเลี้ยมองใจยาขนมจึงมันถูกไปอย่าไปมองไปหัวแต่ไปถูกแค่นี้ไปหัวเราเนี่ยเขาดูหล่อย่าเราแต่ไปจะจงชองนะไปอย่าอีหายหนึ่งไปจงว่าอีหอมมองไปให้เราอีอย่างไปจ่ออีอย่างไปชันอีอย่างเขาไปหัวไปถูกแค่นี้เลยอย่าเราแต่ไปจะจงชองก่อนจะตู้จนไทยตัวอยู่จนรู้ที่เฉาหวังมันแต่นอแล้วตอนเต้ามันหันเดียไปจิ๋วว่าตัวหอมมองไปจงว่าอีหอมมองLadies and gentlemen, next in our custom show program, we have 10 young women plus 10 young men. They will showing the many different customs worn by the Hmong people. Each custom represents the different region in Southeast Asia, including the countries that Hmong people are from, Laos, China, and Thailand. Although we are all Hmong, we speak the same language, practice the same beliefs. We are different from one another by wearing a different customs only. Our customs are very important. They serve as an identity factor, allowing others to know exactly what region they are from. You will notice that the customs are decorated with pandal, flower cloth. Each pandal is different, done by handmade cross-stitching and needle print methods. And thank you very much. Giờ thì cô thầy nó mới yên tâm tỏ sở sĩ nhất là để nó có nó về hòa America và thiên nhiên rồng nhà thân đã ở trong cho nhất cho lúc rộng là những lúc sáng nồng nhẹ vì nhất cho rơi ra sang chùa là đã ở chùa.
First couple is Ariana May and Ying Dong Yang are dressed in Hmong style. Hmong Head is located within of Laos. Amanda has on a plain black outfit with silver necklace and black and white stripes head turban. Ying Dong has on a black outfit with decorations from point Thomas Yang, also dressed in Jinhua style, which is located mid-east of Laos. Kim has on a plain white skirt, floral print top with embroidered sleeves and silver necklace. Thomas has on a black vest, silver coin decoration, with Rosalie Bing and Robert Ying are dressed in feminist style. Camilla is located at northeast. Leslie has on a black outfit with a stripe on her sleeve, overlapping himself like this to silver coins. Robert has on a plain black outfit with a
这样做，猫咪。
Kupiji, Tata, Shashi, Yaka,你我的美国从你吧，要到你哪样？跟他好从朝开，要到路中人路城chen买，你要走好在山路中的来开。
Our fifth is Melissa Yang and Tony Bing are dressed in Chiang Mai style. Chiang Mai is located northwest of Thailand. Melissa has on a colorful style traditional customs with Chelsea layered silver necklace. Tony has on a colorful hand-stitched embroidered outfit with
Kopi Chow, Shashi, Yaka,你我的美国那小汉，也是一样，跟他好从朝，要走路中的路线落个吧，你要走线头的要跟着山峰的来好做。
Number 6, Michelle Haig and Suri Ying are dressed in Lokamba style. Lokamba style is located central west of Laos. Michelle has on a colorful traditional custom silver necklace and a braided sister. Suri has on a plain black outfit with silver necklace.
库迪夏沙西有得了个人呢，你们都给我拿出一样，也坤的男人，跟他好中车，要走路中和路线休难你要走高低的来拿说。
Christina Yang and Andrew Yang are dressed in Yunnan style. Yunnan is located south of China. Christina has on a colorful flower cloth outfit with superimposed silver necklace. Andrew has on a plain black outfit.
Kupiji, Shashi, Yaka,你我都给我第一样，贴着我，跟他好中车，要走路中要路线休难你要走高低中间的来说。 路通了要省油呢，是领导我想了要接受好了，弄里干了要干子，因此是我要走的来呢，离我走，弄里风也是天上改了，用力飞风变到了要通走路上路里面就是哪些呢？
Number 8, Li Ying and Jen Moore are dressed in Hunan style. Hunan is located south central of China. This is the country of Hmong ancestors. Li has a colorful beaded custom embroidered skirt and brown picture. Jen has on a black outfit with silver coins.
库蒂乔，沙西有得了个人呢，你们都给我Elizabeth Yang，也真牛嘞，跟他好中窗到，你要走飞车了做来啊。
Number 9, Elizabeth Ying and Daniel May are dressed in Lao style. Elizabeth has on a colorful silk outfit with shoulder rest. Daniel has on a tri-color outfit with shoulder rest.
ที่เก่าชาชียังเกิดแบบนี้เนาะหรือว่าลูกเห็นว่าการเบาว่าที่ไม้กูจะการว่าหาจงชอย่ำจะลูกจงหลายอย่างรู้สึกลูกจงหมกเพลงลูกจงหมกเพลงตอนนี้ย่ำจะคาเฟ่ชั้นฟงแต่ได้มาละจัว
Number 10 is about Bang and Michael Chang are dressed in Moline style. Bang is located southwest of Laos. About has on a colorful outfit and embroidered skirt with a black and white head strap. Michael has on a colorful outfit, silver coin decorations over the top.
ผู้ท้าในสนามวันนี้ชอบผู้นำจะตู้เจอไทยแล้วเราก็ได้ชื่อจริงๆที่นี่เราจะตู้เจอไทยแต่เราไม่ได้ตรงนี้เขาจะตีจะไม่ได้พอคือว่าจิตตามตรงนี้เชื่อตาเราเขาจะรู้จีจนจะเนี่ยจะจีจะบอกว่าต่อเจมีตัวเรารู้ที่เขาว่ามันแต่เราไม่จะจงพอ